Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make char siu chicken, then so can you. The history of char siu chicken dates back centuries with its roots in traditional Cantonese barbecue techniques. Originating from Guangdong province in southern China, char siu chicken is a variation of the classic char siu pork. Char siu, meaning fork roasted, originally referred to a method of skewering seasoned meat with long forks and roasting it over an open fire. Over time, this technique evolved to include various meats, including chicken. The marinade, which typically includes a combination of hoisin sauce, soy sauce, honey, Chinese 5-spice powder, and sometimes red fermented tofu, is what gives this dish its signature sweet, savory, and slightly caramelized flavor. In this video, we're going to be using both a store-bought char siu sauce, as well as making our own and doing a small comparison of the final product at the end of the video. We're going to be using dark meat in the video because it's the most similar to the traditional char siu pork. You can also use drumsticks, chicken thighs, leg quarters, or even wings. We're going to start with 3 boneless chicken thighs in a bowl. To the chicken, we're going to add a tablespoon that is half minced garlic and half minced ginger. Then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of the store-bought char siu sauce. Make sure that you stir them around so that all the sides are coated evenly. Now let's start the homemade sauce. In a large bowl, we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And then 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. 5-spice powder is a combination of star anise, cloves, cinnamon, Szechuan peppercorns, and fennel seeds. And then another one of those tablespoons that is half minced ginger and half minced garlic. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And finally, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir all of that together. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil. In our case, we used olive oil. Then you can add your chicken to the bowl. Make sure that you stir them around so that all the sides are coated evenly. We ended up using 5 pieces of chicken for this amount of sauce. Ideally, you'll be letting your chicken marinate in the fridge for at least a couple hours. Some people would prefer letting them marinate overnight, and that's fine too if you want to. When your chicken is done marinating, next we can prepare the pans of your choice. Here, Uncle is spreading a little bit of oil over some aluminum foil. Then he's going to spread the chicken evenly over the pans. First the ones with the store-bought sauce, and then the homemade sauce. Throw both pans in the oven at about 390 or 400 degrees, and let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, you can take them out, flip them over, and make sure they're done to your satisfaction. Before serving them, you would take each piece of chicken and cut them into slices about 1 inch wide. And there you have it, char siu chicken. Then if you're feeling fancy, you can garnish them with some white sesame seeds and some fresh diced green onion. Admittedly, when we were trying them both earlier, we couldn't tell much of a difference between the store-bought and the homemade sauces. The biggest difference is the color. The store-bought sauce probably has a little bit of dye in it to make it look brighter and more red like this. Hopefully you'll be able to see the difference in the camera. If you try out this recipe for yourselves, let us know how it went for you down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this quick little video, let us know by giving the like button a click. We release a new video every week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.